guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrea with Foodimentary Adventures in Food, and today I'm here to share a quick and easy recipe for crock pot chicken and noodles. So let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need some egg noodles, cream of chicken, and then you're going to season according to taste. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, and this poultry herb seasoning blend. You're going to need some chicken broth, and you're going to need 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If you prefer chicken breast, that's fine too. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken with onion powder, garlic powder. I'm not going to add any additional salt right now because, you know, with the cream of chicken and the chicken broth, I think that might be good enough. And I'm just adding some herbs in there. Now I'm going to add my cream of chicken soup. And my chicken broth. Just gonna stir it a bit. So I am just going to cover this and cook this on low for about 3 or 4 hours. Okay, so I just took my chicken out of the crock pot. I let it cook for about 4 hours on low, and I'm just taking my forks here and just shredding up my chicken. All right, so now I'm going to add my chicken into my broth. Doesn't that broth look so good? It has a wonderful flavor. So let me just add it in. And I'm going to add in my noodles. And you're just gonna make sure to get all of your noodles covered in that broth. Just keep working them in. And you're gonna cover your crock pot and continue to cook it until your noodles are done for about half an hour or so. But everyone's crock pot is different, so definitely keep an eye on it. Occasionally open up your crock pot, stir your noodles around, make sure that they are covered in the broth here. And egg noodles cook pretty quickly, so again, keep an eye on it. You don't want your egg noodles to get mushy. And I do recommend that you use the no yolk egg noodles. These right here, they're the best ones to use. Okay, so here is the crock pot chicken and noodles. I did let these cook for 30 minutes. I stirred it one time and my noodles are perfect. I will caution you that, you know, again, depending on your crock pot, yours may cook faster or slower than mine. So make sure you keep an eye on the noodles. You definitely don't want them to get overcooked. And like I said, the no yolk egg noodles for me work best. Store brand noodles, sometimes they can kind of disintegrate and break apart, so do be aware of that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, I certainly hope you'll do so. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.